Optimizing Whoop charge usage is crucial to ensure you get the most out of your device and prolong its battery life. To start with, it is essential to understand how the Whoop charge works. The Whoop charge is a portable battery pack designed to charge your Whoop strap on the go. First, make sure your Whoop charge is fully charged before using it to charge your strap. This will ensure you have enough power to charge your strap multiple times. Next, turn off your Whoop strap when not in use to conserve battery life. This simple step can significantly reduce the number of times you need to charge your strap, thus optimizing Whoop charge usage. Another key concept is to charge your Whoop strap in short intervals. Instead of charging your strap from 0 to full, charge it in short bursts when the battery level is low. This will help prolong the battery life of both your Whoop strap and Whoop charge. Additionally, avoid overcharging your Whoop strap. Once your strap is fully charged, remove it from the Whoop charge to prevent overcharging. Overcharging can reduce the lifespan of your strap's battery and decrease the overall efficiency of your Whoop charge. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to clean your Whoop charge and strap regularly. Dirt and grime can affect the charging efficiency and overall performance of your device. Use a soft cloth to wipe down your Whoop charge and strap, and avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can optimize your Whoop charge usage and prolong the battery life of your device. Remember to always keep your Whoop charge fully charged. Turn off your strap when not in use. Charge in short intervals. Avoid overcharging, and clean your device regularly. By doing so, you can get the most out of your Whoop charge and ensure it continues to perform at its best.